a wrap.
Hi, I'm Casey.
Hi, I'm Winnie.
And we are owners of this house. I chose Zhixiong from Vitas Design because having looked through many different interior designers, I find Zhixiong really a trustworthy and honest person. And he gives us that level of sincerity that we don't really find it in other interior designers. And I think true to expectations, he has really been able to give us many advice on the type of furniture, the type of colour that really complements each other. The level of meticulousness that he put into his work really make us glad, and I think that's one big reason why we are able to turn our house into a home. In terms of laminate, we have used it for shoe cabinet, our TV console, as well as the cabinet in our study.
So on the whole, we chose contemporary and modern theme for our house. And the colours wise, we selected muted colours to go with the overall theme.
If I were to choose one corner of the house that I think I'm most comfortable in, that would be the study room. Study room, basically, we have chosen a very nice teal laminate to make the room brighter because the room is really quite compact. But because of this colour choice and the quality finish by Greenlam, it really makes it very comfortable for me to stay there the whole day.
Having compared among a few brands of laminates within the Vitas showroom, we found out that Greenlam actually carries this very special antibacterial, antifungal and antivirus feature for every colour. So as a person who likes my things clean and proper, I realized that this choice will help me to reduce my time spent on cleaning, and I don't have to worry about bacteria lurking around. Greenlam offers many colors and textures for customers to choose from, and once again with its antibacterial, antifungal and antivirus feature, it is naturally a good and safe option for everyone. Ultimately, home is a place to be comfortable in, and we recommend using Greenlam in your home.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.